Hi Uğur, it's great to see you. I thought it will be most useful to keep this pretty open and grounded in your experience, especially since you have been actively using Rendera in real projects. Maybe a good place to start to just your overall workaround before Rendera. How were you typically handling site surveys and project preparation back then?
Hi, Dimitri. Yes, thank you so much for this invitation. It is very exciting for us as well. The Rendera product was unique, brand new for us, and it made things a bit more smooth when it comes to sales, actually. Because usually, once the sale is over or when the sale is done, we usually go there and then do an on site check at the property. But you have to sometimes go on top of the roof and then examine the situation over there. But instead, we just started flying the drone around the property, and that's how we were able to get a really nice, useful 3D images as well as the models that we can use not only for the PV Soul program, but also to be able to show to the customer,
Yeah.
maybe right at the site. And consequently, this allowed us to explain the project to the customer better because usually right now we are seeing the solar demand skyrocketing, especially in the past couple of weeks due to the recent global events. And customers are quite interested in such projects. But before paying thousands of pounds into a project, which is actually for sure some money to invest in, so they want to see they want to be able to foresee the future and what to expect from this project. And I think Rendera, by only investing a little bit of money into the drone and also the service, allowed us to convince people better and explain our project way better than we ever imagined.
Mhm.
And that is how it helped us initially in the first place.
Oh, this is really great to hear about because this is the reaction that we really wanted to see and hear while we are building it. So I also have a question. Uh, did Rendera improve your total volume and your sales volume, or it didn't impact it in any way?
No, it definitely impacted. I think we have seen a good return of investment with this product.
Mhm.
Again, as I said, it's hard to measure because of the growing demand recently. But at the same time, I can see the difference in the customer stance towards our company and how they approach us compared to before we started using Rendera and after we started using this new software. It also made our processes more smooth, as I said, because our technicians usually, for instance, when we went to a customer property, even to examine how much of a scaffolding we would require maybe for that particular project,
Yeah.
the drone images also help us understand and coordinate within the team better. So that's why we are happy with it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Thank you. I also got another one, if you're okay
Sure,
with
yeah.
it. Yeah.
Good.
Uh, did render A improved your closing speed? If there any change in a noticeable way?
Absolutely. I think that is the biggest difference and contribution Rendera did to our process.
Oh, thank you.
When it comes to convincing, that is a good plus.
Okay. If you don't have any other feedbacks, I will end this call. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much for having me. It is great to work with such brilliant young minds like yours.
Yeah, same from us too.
Take care. Bye.
See you.